All right, we're back here. As you can see, the canoe's gone because there were some pesky birds trying to escape that canoe. So we had to build a new situation. This boat had a bunch of paint chips in it. I think the birds would probably eat them. And so we built this. And now everybody's in here. So let me put this over here. Let's see, is that a good shot? Can we see down there? I think we can. I think that's a good place for the camera. Cool. Alright, I think we got some mushrooms for you guys. Now they are developing, they're developing their tail feathers, and they're definitely getting bigger now. And they know all about the mushrooms. Now the only thing I found out that I might not be doing right is that they might need some sunlight. So we'll have to figure that out maybe at some point. Or maybe they just won't have sunlight for a couple weeks. Not everybody online should be giving them sunlight. Oh no, don't eat my headphones. You can't eat my headphones. That'd be bad. Hey guys, and some more mushrooms. Ow! Got a chunk out of my finger. Yeah, you want some more mushrooms? Oh, we got a bunch of mushrooms today. I cut up one whole mushroom for you guys. One whole mushroom. They're eating about 3 times more food per day than when I first got them now. And I think I need to put that water up on something. You fools, you keep on running right through your water and crapping in it. Didn't anyone tell you not to crap where you drink? You're not going to be flying out of here anytime soon, I think. I also thought that they weren't going to be able to get out of the canoe for a little while. That only lasted less than a week. Yeah, what? It's been 1 week since I got you guys, yeah? A lot of them are developing wings and tail feathers now, but I don't see any of their juvenile feathers, like their normal feathers, developing yet. I don't see any of that yet. They still got their chick coats. There's more mushrooms, guys. There's more mushrooms. They are growing. A couple of them weren't too happy when I moved them yesterday. They seem to be over it now. I forgot all about that now. They got their big dirt container, filled up a big thing with dirt. Let's see if we can get the camera an even better. What happens if we go right here? Are we gonna get pecked? I don't know what that view looks like. Hey guys, it's all gone. Oh no, it's all gone. It's all gone, guys. It's all gone. I'm all out. I'm all out. There's no more. There's no more. Oh, you guys can scarf those down faster than you used to be able to. Oh, we're being surrounded. Surrounded by chicks. Oh no. They don't know what to make out of the GoPro. Oh, you're not supposed to get up that way. I made a ramp. I made a ramp just for you guys. Oh jeez. No, the GoPro is not food, guys. GoPro is not food. No, I'm gonna fix your water. Look what you've done to it. Who crapped in the water? It's just water, guys. It's just water. But you need that too. You need that too. Yeah. You're not going to be able to jump up and come get me now, huh? You'll have to get a little bit bigger first. They're getting their nose ridges. They're like Klingons. Are you guys going to die a glorious death in battle, huh? You dug down that dirt a little bit. You guys burrowing in the dirt yet? Alright guys, that's it. I think I'm going to open up the garage and get you some fresh air.